mero abo munyamakuru witu yabasa kwikaho bashobora bari kugira ngo batandika kurungi ebigyezo byabo ngo no harabe hawo mwubuzu bw'Enjura hamwe n'Abeegi abatakamaze ebishare by'amashomero ngukonga habwo kugira ngo kiragiro cya inebu n'ikikiriza buryo umwe okukora ebigyezo ebi Abeegi bona bikirizwa gukora ebigyezo
twatakaje ya sine ya mukaga konka twabwena mwaka shuru mukasheshe kabanza kutegana samu. That's why it has a little bit delayed. Konka students are okay, they are calm. Nubwo kajora kacheraho, we have trained our learners. They are very well prepared. We hear some few challenges. Some fees defaulters. Konka, of course, you know, with the regulations are enable. Abana bona tubikirize kora nabitukubanza bija kuyihuza mpora kandi ya business mkwebiri
abo turabe twatiganze ubuhinzo bw'ashese omukupikinga station ayitukubiha polisi konka twamaniye kubihayo kandi twatanga kumugwire abana bari no bakora Abeegi bitu bona bakora twajya absentee candidate kandi kishonero tubatebekanise icyo rukumara dutekateka ngo tubahiye nemara kuko serivase kugamba kandi binamasiko mu bije gukora kurungi aho kwa betebekanise
Deus Kabugumira uri mukuru w'ishomero erya Bishop Oge Secondary School nawe nashobora kugira ngo ahubwo kugira ngo hagwe Enjura nyinji munonga kandi yatwara ubwire buringwa ikaretera ebigyezo byakererwa okikayishomero ecyabagemesereza okutandika bakererwa hashankisha 15.
The examinations have started well today morning despite the heavy rain. Examinations reached here in time, were collected in time from the police station in Bushenyi. Despite the heavy rain, we did not experience any big challenges. Definitely, the rains are a challenge, a bother, because sometimes they make us start a bit late. Being the first day, we were a bit late for a few minutes. I think like here we started at around 9:15.
Isaac tukamuhebwa uguno mweji we nashobora kugira ngo nabo baraye batandika ebigyezo byabo erizoba ngo ikigezo cyo kubanza cyaba kitanguhi nuko kwiga Abeegi ba class za hansi okushomesa mani ngo hakuba level de yanguhi.
We have begun our exams today with history paper 3, European history, but the paper was not all easy, but we have tried our level best and I think we shall come up with the best results. Maybe what I can tell to my fellow students in lower classes, A level is not a simple level, but if you concentrate, then it becomes best level. So my fellow students, concentrate, read hard. By the time you are in A level, you are able to make it.
Kandi we Joseph Nahamya na uryo mweji nawe yasima abashomesa ngo habo kuba ibibashango mu bigezo babiri babishomere.
Nyenda kubanza kusima abasomesa bitu ba Bishop High School kujangu ebatsomese byona yabe mu paper kamera tubuka barinjye mazima tukabe kwasa kandi mba promising kujaranti ni 20 kweta results nungi ebizamu kubirize
amakora gagasha kwa Olivia na Sastra avuga Sky TV agenshonga omuru Bushenyi.
Bebale Olivia